Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to print some test pages from my Brother HL-L2865DW. This is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself. Whilst this printer doesn't have any dedicated test pages, there are a couple of sheets you can print directly from the printer that will give you a rough idea of what kind of print quality issue you are experiencing. So, first of all, we can use the down arrow here until we get to print reports, then press OK. And the very first option we get is printer settings. So we press OK again, and then go. Give the printer a second. And the produced pages feature predominantly text and should be a good representation of the majority of documents you print from a mono laser printer like this, and even gives you an idea of the toner estimate and the estimated life of the drum within the printer as well. Next up, we're going to get ourselves back to the same menu again, printer reports. This time we're going to go past printer settings until we get to drum.print. And again, press OK, and then go. And once this is printed, as you can see, we have vertical lines running almost the entire length of the page, which you can use to check for any breaks. And we also have this nice, deep, dark, pure black patch in the center, to give you an idea of your printer's ability to print just solid black from the printer, which could be part of your branding or even the occasional photo you might print from such a machine. Now, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.